Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable simple mode in Vivo Y21 smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to enter into the settings. Now we need to enter into the lock screen and wallpaper. Then click simple mode. Now enable the quick toggle of simple mode. Then click experience now. Now the phone team is entering into the simple mode. You can see it's a very useful feature. You have vision problem or use the phone, you want to use the phone minimal, or you can use with the elder also. You can add shortcuts from the contacts also, directly call. Also you can add some applications to quickly access. So it's a very useful feature. So if you want to exit this mode, you need to enter into the settings. Now click exit simple view. Now it will be enter into the normal mode. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.